right, everyone, it's Anthony Bandiero, attorney and senior legal instructor for Blue to Gold Law Enforcement Training, bringing you another Roadside Chat. What do you think about the new studio? Is this off the hook or what? I've been planning to make the studio for a while. It's done. It's not done. It's always a work in progress. We're going to mix up the guns every once in a while, but I think you probably like it as much as I do. All right. This officer is from Texas. He's talking about something called like what I call cause of injury searches. He says, we have a suspect that overdosed. In the process of administering aid, we see a small black bag on top of a small bag of marijuana. Okay, so the guy is not responsive. He's not coming out of it. The officers want to open up that bag, that little black bag that's on top of the marijuana, to see if there's anything in there that could explain what his issues are. What drugs did he take that is killing him, right? And the officers are having a hard time, finding some case law on this. They reference a case called Mincey versus Arizona. That's a case about plain view. If you're lawfully inside of a residence for some kind of emergency, obviously plain view, the marijuana and so forth. But what about that black little bag, right? Well, that's going to be most likely upheld under community caretaking, right? Or you can call it a special needs search. But basically, community caretaking does apply inside homes, but you got to get inside the home because of an emergency. But once you're inside of a home, you can look for the reasons why this person is unconscious and so forth. Really, the best case on this is actually also from Texas. It's United States versus Borden. I'm going to give you the case name or the reference here, but it's a case from 2023 that also went up to the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals. And they said here, given the totality of circumstances, Borden's slurred speech and behavior, his inability to tell the officers what substance or combination of substances he had consumed, the officer's knowledge and experience with medical crisis, coupled with her belief that Borden was experiencing a medical emergency and the need to gather information for the medic, the court finds that the search of Borden's backpack was objectively reasonable, right? And so then we're going to have like a plain view issue. That's why we have the case. So in some states, though, if you're, you may also you also must be cognizant of your Good Samaritan laws, right? Where people that get called in for overdosing, there may be some restrictions on charging them with crimes and so forth. But regardless, here, if you really believe that their ID, which will probably help medics understand who this person is, maybe in their system they have allergies, known medical issues. The drugs, we want to know what fentanyl, heroin, so forth. The doctor would like to know that. This would all be covered under the community caretaking doctrine. But once you determine, why they are, experiencing their emergency and so forth, and you kind of have enough information to satisfy that governmental interest, well, then the search ends, right? We're kind of done. All right, makes sense. If you like this and everything else we do at Blue to Gold, please like, subscribe, share with your friends. Until next time, my friends, you stay safe.